This is Kavinaya from Yugamugi. Today we are going to see a beautiful Tassa collection, a completely hand-painted Tassa collection. We are manufacturer of Tassa silk sarees. We have a unit in West Bengal where we make Tassa block prints, digital prints as well as hand paints. This is one of the hand-painted collection. We have stocks coming in every 2 to 3 days and we update all the stocks daily, nearly daily. We upload the videos. All the new stocks will be uploaded. Here we have a few sarees of hand painted collection. Everything will be displayed here. You can see the zari border will be there in all the collection with a beautiful pallu. Zari lines also in the pallu. And here we have a blue blouse piece. It's a contrast blouse piece. Complete saree is hand painted. Between you can see the Rama green shade, almost a turquoise and Rama green shade, light sea green shade in the middle. And the top and bottom we have the hand painting design. Here we have a different concept, a boat on the pond concept, very elegant one, completely hand painted version. We have few artists who do very beautiful work on Tassa, complete hand painting. And this is a simple hand paint on a beautiful deep red and pink mixed color, and we have the pallu which is in multicolor along with the zari lines and blue blouse piece, very elegant one. If you like any saree, you can just take a screenshot of it and send it in the WhatsApp. Our WhatsApp direct link is given in the description box. All the details of the sarees is also given in the description box. You just have to click the link, then directly it will come to our WhatsApp. And this is the saree. Saree have beautiful just checks pattern at the top, and the lower half is completely hand painted using a vertical multicolored pattern. Very different one. All are unique pieces. You will not get anywhere else. Really beautiful, unique collection it is. And all are hand weaved sarees. Completely it is hand woven. You can see the tassels part. And this is how it is. Very elegantly done, and it is tassar by tassar. We don't mix any other quality or any other silk in the saree. This is the blouse piece. The pallu and blouse piece are in same color. It's almost a purple with yellow borders. Very elegant designs. And this is a beautiful design. The purple part decreases, and the next when it comes to the lower half of the saree, kind of it is completely different. You can see the teal blue in the top and purple and yellow in the bottom. Really different collection. It is kind of a half saree model, partly a half saree type with all zari borders. And if you want a collection in this, you can WhatsApp us. And Tassa by nature, I will tell you about Tassa. Tassa is not like silk. It is not very silky. It is a matte kind of finish. You can see the threads of the Tassa silk. It is a little denser than the mulberry, so we cannot get a pure silky finish. It will be matty, you can see, and this kind of mild paint marks will be there since it is hand painted. That cannot be avoided. Though these thread gaps, thread jumpings like this are not considered as damages, and we take return of the saree only if it is a physical damage. We thoroughly check the saree before sending the dispatch, so you will not get any physical damage. And here you can see a beautiful collection with rust and black color, a very different hand painting. It is a kind of a tribal design, beautifully done. And when it comes to returns, you have to give us the unboxing video with the damage shown in it. Only then it can be considered for the checking of the damage. And this is the blouse piece of this particular saree. It is yellow. And here the painting is not evenly done. It is done in a very different way. You can see black part comes in with the beautiful peacocks, big peacocks, really big and beautiful one. And otherwise the saree is yellow with the black part coming again in the lower half of the body. So it comes in the chest part as well as in the lower half, the leg part. Really different. All are exclusives. We have special designers for designing the sarees, and the hand painters just bring what is being dreamt of by the designer. Really beautiful collection. Here we have a green saree with a mild grey finish in the pallu with very elegant hand paints and zari lines. In the same way, the Green is given for the blouse piece with one side hand painting. This can be used for the sleeves. The tassels are not completely finished, so you can use it, complete it with the tailor or designer, whoever you wish to. And here we have almost a 3/4 with plain green and the lower half with the very elegant grey part. And the grey part only we have the hand painting. It is a duck with butterflies and different designs. Very beautiful designs. And here we have a grey saree with pink combination. The pallu is pink with hand painted design, cream part, and we have same pink color blouse piece. And the saree again is very different here. The top part is completely starting with plain green, grey, and next to that we have fully painted design in the pink base. Center part is completely painted, and the top and bottom we have the grey. This is also different. And all sarees comes with a zari border. And please do subscribe our channel. So we put lot of videos. Daily we'll update our collection. So you'll get notifications on it. Please press the bell icon as well. And you have to just send us a WhatsApp message. If you like this collection, we will send you all the collection whatever available in hand paint. From that also you can choose. And here we have two blues in a single saree, deep royal blue as well as a light blue. And here we have horses pattern hand painted. You can see the hand painting work. Mild flaws are the beauty of the hand paints. These are not machine made or printed, so you can see the very elegant design, completely handmade. Two blues, whoever like the blue, this is a saree. Beautiful designs, and these are all completely our own manufacturing designs, and all our sarees comes with proper silk mark. We are a silk mark authorized manufacturer, and the silk quality you can test anywhere. It's pure Tassa by Tassa. And also we do immediate dispatch, or all our stocks are ready to dispatch. We don't do on order. All are ready to dispatch items only. We have several offers running for Pongal as well. If you want to book the saree before Pongal and Makara Sankranti, we have a beautiful offers coming for you. Please do subscribe us, share us, support us. And if you want to order, please WhatsApp us. Thank you.